Ucabangani ngokuthi Western Cape High Court seyinikeze uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa ithuba lokuthi ayoconsulta about this impeachment process ka Section 89 eyenzekayo ngayo, which means he might not even be president when impeachment process yenzeka. Andrea Johnson, ophethe Investigative Directorate Against Corruption, IDEC, has resigned, and President Cyril Ramaphosa acceptile resignation yakhe. Bezimshubele laphaya kwi-Madlanga Commission Andrea Johnson, kanti uzokhumbula ukuthi i-Madlanga Commission ibheka ukuthi amaphoyisa ngabe are infiltrated by criminals who are working with politicians. Kanti ezinye ke esibhekayo inkinga zeimali laphaya kumkhonto wesizwe party nayo le corruption ongathi iningana eyenzeka laphaya kwi-IDEC ekuyiyona kumele ngabe ibhekelele izinto zayo i-corruption.
Politics, justice, umnotho, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Spumelele Zondi.
Angibingelele ngiuSiphumelele Zondi neGagasi FM News Wrap. Opposition parties and their leaders are sort of divided nge-ruling eyenzeke laphaya Western Cape High Court yokuthi President Cyril Ramaphosa can consult, which then halts lama public hearings ekumele ngabe ayenzeka nge-impeachment process yakhe ka lo Section 89. And some of them are actually saying that, well, the public actually deserves answers ngokuthi kwenzekani laphaya ePhalaphala. Uzokhumbula ukuthi there was an impeachment process ekumele ngabe izoqala laphaya eParliament ukuthi does President Cyril Ramaphosa stay or does he go, nokuthi ngabe kwenzekani ngenxa yokuthi khona imali ezatholakala laphaya endlini yakhe zintshontshwa ekusolakala ukuthi umuntu owayesebenza khona kwangowase Namibia esebenzisana nabanye. Asike siwezona ama opposition parties or different political parties talking about this particular matter.
There are 3 judgments. The first judgment concludes, for reasons set out therein, that the President has not made out a case for an interim interdict. He proposes that the application be dismissed.
He's playing on delaying tactics, and the court seemed to be his partner in making sure that he does not appear before the committee to account, because that's all what we want, that the president must come to account for what happened.
So this is nothing else but a delay. However, we're going to read the report because on one side, the president seemed to have been arguing that only the aspects of a hearing must be halted, but the parts of preparation can proceed.
Into echazayo le consultation process ukuthi kuzoma izinto ezithize ngayo le impeachment process. That also then means President Cyril Ramaphosa is going to continue being president of the country. Ngoba let's say if they were to start almost right away, bewungathola ukuthi mhlambe let's say by the end of the year ubengabe ngaseyena upresident wase South Africa, kodwa ke ngesikhathi consulta it sort of prolongs and delays the process ngesikhathi la ma public hearings engenzeki or ama public inquiries engenzeki ngendlela esheshayo. Kodwa ke lokhu kungase kwenzeke ukuthi i-impeachment process uyothola makuthi igcina yenzekile, ungathola seyenzeka mhlambe ngasena nokuba upresident aqhubeke until the end of his term. Cabangani wena ngalokho? I-MKP umkhonto wesizwe party lo usaphika kuze kube namhlanje ukuthi kuneyinkinga zeimali ezikhona laphaya eqenjini, yize noma uJacob Zuma ekuyena umphathi weqembu esethe ufuna ukuba uyena ozokongamela everything to do with the finances zalo leli qembu. Kodwa ke iGagasi FM yakhuluma naye uSibonelo Nomvalo waye MKP uthi akulona iqiniso ukuthi baneyinkinga zeimali.
Right. Yes. Now we've seen in Limpopo, in Joburg and in eThekwini ama offices laweni warentayo ni evictwa ngenxa yokuthi ankhokhile. Is isimo seimali not looking good ku MK party?
No, but as evicted, because if you can go to our offices tomorrow, you will find our staff members operating there. We just had some difficulties here and there, but we've managed to deal with those difficulties, and we're now operating without any hindrances. So whatever difficulty...
Financial difficulties?
Yes, because like any other institution, whether you are a political party or a private company, there is a time where you face financial difficulties.
Kodwa ke engabe kwenzekani uma kunje eqenjini inkinga zezimali kakhulukazi ngonyaka wokhetho? Yebo, bona bayaphika ukuthi kunenkinga zezimali, kodwa kuyavela ukuthi khona okunuka santungwana uma ngabe umphathi walo iqembu uJacob Zuma ethi ufuna ukuzibambela mathupha izinto zezimali, agudlule wonke umuntu oke waphatha ezezimali kuleli qembu. Bese ke sibuyele kuyona iMadlanga Commission ebheka ukuthi engabe corruption ingakanani lapha emaphoyiseni and the infiltration yamaphoyisa by igebengu and politicians. Bese kuba ile nkinga yokuthi kunabantu ongazuthi bake baboshwa on cooked up charges lapha kwi-IDEC. Uzolikhumbula igama la Dineo Mukwili owaqashwa lapha kwi-Investigative Directorate Against Corruption, ekuyiyona kumele ngabe ibheka izinto ze-corruption kahle kahle emaphoyiseni. Kodwa ke ungathi they corrupt themselves uma ngabe usuzobheka ama-allegations akhona lapha kwi-Madlanga Commission, as they suggest ukuthi ukuboshwa kuka General Lieutenant Dumsani Khumalo kube uye uDineo Mukwili lo was in a way unlawful and maybe based on cooked up charges. They were poking holes ku Andrea Johnson ekuyena ophethe iIDEC. Aske silalele.
Do you know what her qualifications are?
Not all her qualifications, no.
So why do you make a statement under oath to say she's not suitable for this position if you don't know what her qualifications are? Why do you make a statement to this commission to say the big picture will show that she doesn't have qualifications? Can I ask that they be flighted so that we can look at them? Can we go to 270 on the same file?
For me, the only one, I'm not disputing what you're asking me. I just want
Are
to
you saying she's not bilingual and she doesn't have a driver's license?
No,
because those are some
No.
of the requirements.
No.
Do you want to dispute those?
No, must have
So
a minimum.
what do you say? What is the qualification that you say in 25.1 of your affidavit that she doesn't have? What is
Must
that
have a minimum
qualification?
period of 3 years appropriate managerial experience in the field of the post.
Is that a qualification?
No.
Experience is a qualification.
No, it was just a requirement.
Okunye ke okuye kwavela ukuthi ngenkathi bethi ungathi mhlambe ama qualifications abenge mahle kahle hle lapha ku Dineo Mukwili, kodwa ke iMadlanga Commission and the commissioners themselves they did pull out ama qualifications. Kwavela ukuthi unawo lama qualifications technology ne mechatronics afunekayo, ngoba kuthiwa it's the rare mechatronics qualification. Kuyashiwo futhi ukuthi it had to be advertised 3 times before aqashwe uMukwili lo, and uJohnson ungathi akakwazi ukuyichaza indaba yokuthi bekuyini inkinga ngokuqasheka kwakhe uDineo Mukwili.
Again, I relied on the briefing from my team, and it's going to go back to what council had asked me, that I trusted them implicitly. I now see that the facts as I may have received them then, and I'd have to go back and look at it.
And-
Where
Lokhu kusenza siyibuze kakhulukazi in government entities ukuthi abantu 1 baqashwa kanjani and 2 uma sebeqashiwe would they be given a hard time sebengaphakathi ukuthi ay ungathi mhlambe bengeyena umuntu obefunwa abathize, and in this particular case it was even dire because mawuzocabanga ukuthi ugcine sewusestokisini on allegations of what is being said to possibly have been cooked up charges. Uyazibuza ukuthi izinto zaka HR kanti zibuye zisebenze kanjani nokuthi abantu baboshwa uma kwenze njani. All right, and that's all we have for you. Mina ngiwuSiphumelele Zondi nalo lonke ithimba leGagasi FM News Wrap. Ngithi asigoqe la sigoqa khona uma sehlangana bukhoma.
Catch a brand new episode. You can watch the podcast noma ungalalela i-podcast kwi-app yethu noma inini noma kuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.